pleasure to welcome you to Atlanta. This is the terminating point of our flight. For your continued comfort as well as safety, we ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has parked the airplane at the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. When retrieving items from the overhead bins, please use caution when opening the bins. Items tend to shift around and could fall out and injure you or somebody around you. If you're making flight connections here in Atlanta and need any type of assistance or ground transportation help, as you exit the airplane, there are TV monitors. I would caution you to please check the monitor to make sure the gate that you're going to is still the same gate that is printed on your boarding card for your next destination. There has been a 3-hour time change. The approximate local time is 20 minutes to 4 o'clock. On behalf of your entire San Diego-based crew and your Atlanta flight attendant, it's been our pleasure bringing you here. We hope that when your travel plans include air travel, you'll once again choose to fly with us. Thank you and have a very nice day.